Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix GeForce Now error code 0xC192000C on Windows. If you're facing this error, follow these simple steps to resolve it. 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the cause. Make sure your internet speed is fast enough, at least 15 megabits per second for 720p or 25 megabits per second for 1080p. Try switching to a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. 2. Restart GeForce Now. Close the app completely, restart your computer, and then launch GeForce Now again to see if the error disappears. 3. Update GeForce Now. Ensure you're using the latest version of GeForce Now. Check for updates in the app and install any available updates. 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache by going to the GeForce Now folder in your computer's app data directory and deleting all files. Restart the app afterward. 5. Check firewall or antivirus. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking GeForce Now. Temporarily disable them to see if that fixes the issue and add GeForce Now as an exception if needed. 6. Verify server status. Check the GeForce Now status page to see if there are any server issues or maintenance affecting the service. 7. Reinstall GeForce Now. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall GeForce Now to fix any potential installation problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error 0xC192000C and enjoy smooth gameplay again. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel for more guides.